New, not remanufactured. Engineered with the same stringent standards applied to the parts we make for the top global OEMs. Our proprietary sensing elements provide highly accurate airflow readings to the AQ over a wide range of ambient temperatures. Manufacturer of OE calibrated mass airflow sensors since their first use over 30 years ago. Our MAF sensors reduce repair time by eliminating the need to replace the flow tube. Complete assembly. Top reviews from the United States. Mass airflow. You get what you pay for. The first one I bought cost $26 and lasted 8 months. My 5.3 was putting up the check engine light. Both banks lean. Then I bought this one for $96 and my Avalanche runs so much better.